First rule, no talking. Does that mean? Second rule, no eating in my class. Would anyone care for a bonbon? I'll eat one! Pick your favorite. How's it taste? It's a delightful taste sensation. No eating in my classroom!